Hi friends, and welcome back to Wordly Wise Book 5. How are you doing? Great! Now today, let's get started with day 3. In today's lesson, we'll be taking on the activities 3B, 3C, and 3D. So make sure you got those ready. Let's start off with activity 4B, making connections. Circle the letter next to each correct answer. There may be more than one correct answer. Right, let's begin with number 1. Which word or words go with wild animal? Is it A, accurate, B, ferocious, C, approximate, or D, horizontal? Which word or words go with wild animal? B, ferocious. Number 2, which word or words go with not exact? Is it A, accurate, B, equivalent, C, approximate, or D, nostalgic? Which word or words go with not exact? C, approximate. Number 3, which word or words go with travel? A, depart, B, deteriorate, C, destination, D, voyage. Which word or words go with travel? It's A, depart, C, destination, and D, voyage. Number 4. Which word or words go with worsen? Worsen. Worsen, the root word for worsen is worse. Bad, worse, and worsen. It's a verb. Is it A, deteriorate, B, navigate, C, nostalgia, D, obscure? Which word or words go with worsen? A, deteriorate. Number 5. Which word or words go with weather? A, forecast, B, climate, C, bland, and D, gale. Which word or words go with weather? A, forecast, weather forecast. B, climate, weather over a long period of time. And D, gale, strong wind. Number 6. Which word or words go with feelings? A, accuracy, B, nostalgia, C, jubilation, D, departure. Which word or words go with feelings? It's B, nostalgia, and C, jubilation. Those two. Number 7. Which word or words go with measuring? A, departure, B, accurate, C, approximate, and D, jubilation. Which word or words go with measuring? B, accurate, and C, approximate. So to measure something is to determine how big, small, heavy, light, and where it is. That's where you measure something, or how much it is. Number 8. Which word or words go with unhappiness? A, misery, B, jubilation, C, combination, and D, despair. Which word or words go with unhappiness? A, misery, and also D, despair. Number 9. Which word or words go with straight? A, bland, B, horizontal, C, nostalgic, D, evident. Which word or words go with straight? Straight. B, horizontal. It's a straight line from side to side. Can mean that. Number 10. Which word or words go with recovery? Recover. Is it A, scurry, B, deprive, C, deteriorate, or D, revive? Which word or words go with recover? D, revive. So those are the answers for activity 4B. Next up, activity 4C. Determining meanings. Circle the letter next to each answer choice that correctly completes the sentence. There may be more than one correct answer. Number 1. The gales, A, were strong enough to blow roofs off. So roofs is singular for roof. B, blew open when the wind picked up. C, drew a huge crowd on opening night. D, of laughter during the movie were enormous. The gales, A, were strong enough to blow roofs off. The gales, D, of laughter during the movie were enormous. Number B is incorrect. It might sound correct, but it's incorrect. Gale is the name of a strong wind. The way it's used is not right. Number 2. You revived A friendship that you miss. B, hope in someone who was ready to give up. C, an object that you lost. D, old memories when you were talking with friends. You revived A friendship that you miss. You revived B, hope in someone who was ready to give up. You revived D, old memories when you were talking with friends. So it's A, B, and D. Number 3. People study navigation. A, to learn more about earthquakes. B, so pilots can safely fly airplanes. C, so they can build stronger roads and bridges. D, to become a ship's captain. So, people study navigation. B, so pilots can safely fly airplanes. People study navigation. D, to become a ship's captain. It's B and D. Number 4. Things deteriorated. A, in the oven and smelled delicious. B. When they weren't taken care of. C. In clusters as they grew. D. The more you took care of them. Things deteriorated. B. When they weren't taken care of. Only B. Number 5. The destination, A, of the Mayflower was Jamestown, but it landed on Cape Cod. B. Of falling rain felt good on my skin. C. Was caused by a fire in the attic. Attic is in the roof. D. Was clearly marked on the front of the bus. So which are correct? The destination, A, of the Mayflower was Jamestown, but it landed on Cape Cod. Mayflower was the name of a ship that went to North America with the Pilgrims, I believe. And the destination, D, was clearly marked on the front of the bus. So when you wait for the bus, you can see where it's going. It says so on the front. There is a screen that runs the words. This bus is going here and here. It's the destination. Number 6. The approximate, A, distance between Earth and the Sun is 63 million miles. B, age of the Great Pyramid is 5,500 years. So that's 5,500 years. C, sound of the thunderstorm scared the dog. D, facts in the article were absolutely true. The approximate, A, distance between Earth and the Sun is 63 million miles. The approximate, B, age of the Great Pyramid is 5,500 years. And that's it. Those are the correct answers from 1 to 6. Next, number 7. The departure, A, was signed by Benjamin Franklin, making it very valuable. B, of the bus was 10 minutes late. C, was pulled by 2 horses. D, in the phone book when Cal dropped it. In the phone broke when Cal dropped it. Not book, broke. Great, so the departure, B, of the bus was 10 minutes late. That's it. Number 8. The despairing, A, look in her eyes was easy to see. B, coconuts grow only in tropical countries. C, bus took off right on time. D, howl of the dog when its owner left the house was sad to hear. The despairing look in her eyes was easy to see. The despairing, D, howl of the dog when its owner left the house was sad to hear. Woof, woof, despairing howl. Great, so those are the correct answers for activity 4C, 7 to 8. Now let's take on activity 4D. Here we'll practice our writing and spelling. Completing sentences. Complete the sentences to demonstrate your knowledge of the words in bold. Great, so number 1. Remember, you can't write exactly my answer. You have to paraphrase. That means use your own words as much as you can. Number 1. An example of something that can deteriorate is what? A piece of paper left in the rain. It will deteriorate, get worse. If you leave a book outside in the rain, it will deteriorate, right? Or an old building. Or if you leave a car in the sun and rain and weather, it can get worse. Write your own response. Number 2. If I were caught in a gale, I would what? Let me answer with capital letters. I will try to run indoors. That means inside. I'll try to run for shelter. I'll try to get out of there. Something like that. Try to get to shelter. Try to get inside. Try to go in the house. Down that idea. Number 3. I sometimes feel nostalgic for... Name something you feel nostalgic for. I sometimes feel nostalgic for... For my grandmother's food. When I think of my grandmother's food, I miss her. She's still alive, but she lives far away. You can say, I sometimes feel nostalgic for family vacations, for meeting my cousin, for Christmas, something that brings a fond memory back from the past. Number 4. I would love to take a voyage to... Where would you like to take a voyage to? To the moon, or... That's how you spell island. Or an island, right? A voyage is to travel in a spaceship in space or on sea in a boat. So you can say to the moon, to Mars, to another planet, to another galaxy, or to an island, to another country, around the world, whatever. As long as it has to do with space travel or traveling on a big boat or ship. Number 5. An accurate description of me would be... An accurate description of me would be... tall and friendly. That's what I think. So give an accurate description of yourself. Are you tall and friendly? Maybe not. Maybe you can say short and angry. I don't know. Number 6. I would be jubilant if... Ooh, this is a fun one. Give your own answer. I would be jubilant if... I would be jubilant if I win a big TV, or get a new bicycle, or get the new iPhone, or something like that. Whatever would make you jubilant, you write that down. Number 7. If something is approximate, that means it is... Let's write. Not exact, but close enough. You can give an example if you think of one. 3 quail eggs is approximately the same size as 1 chicken egg. 38 chicken eggs is approximately the same size as 1 ostrich egg. That's actually true. Number 8. If I'm at the park and it starts to rain, my best course would be to... What would your best course be? Open my umbrella, or get to shelter, something like that. Shelter would be a roof that protects you. Number 9. When a kind of clothing from the past is revived, that means it is what? When a kind of clothing from the past is revived, that means it is what? So this means like a specific style. So some sunglasses are from 1950, but then today they become popular again. It's revived. So that means it becomes popular again. Can you think of something? Like some glasses, they're from many years ago, but today it becomes popular again, or a kind of jacket that you would wear. It was from a different time, but now it's popular again. It becomes revived. You can say it becomes popular. It becomes fashionable again. Something like that. It becomes used again. And number 10. If I had my own spaceship, my destination would be... If I had my own spaceship, my destination would be... the ISS. ISS is the International Space Station. It's a huge space station. Many countries got together to make it happen. China, Russia, America, some other countries I'm sure, can't think of them, don't know about them. But some countries came together to make the ISS happen. Where would your destination be? The moon? Mars? Another galaxy? Great. So friends, we're all done with the activity 4D. And we're done with this lesson. Let's make sure that we got all the right answers for day 3. Activity 3B, answers from 1 to 10. Activity 4C, answers from 1 to 8. And activity 4D, answers 1 to 10. Great job, friends. Well done. You did so well today. This was a challenging one. Remember to join me again for day 4. In day 4, we'll take on a comprehension test and passage. We'll read a bit and then answer some questions about it. It's gonna be lots of fun. I can't wait to see you there. Bye for now.